Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for Medieval Dynasty, where I'm going to show you how you can craft the stone knife, which is one of the most easiest to craft and the most basic weapon within the game. So let's get started right away. Once you have started your game, you will get access to a whole new open world, where you can do almost whatever you wish. And you will be required to craft various different tools and weapons. In order to craft the basic weapon, which is the stone knife, you will simply need to collect 5 sticks and 2 stones. The sticks and stones both can be found scattered within the ground, and once you have collected enough of these, you can go back to the crafting menu from the Q button, and from the handcrafting page, just choose the stone knife option. After the stone knife has been crafted, you can press the tab button to check your inventory, and then equip this stone knife onto your desired quick slot. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the stone knife within your game on Medieval Dynasty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.